Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you looking for an efficient and effective way to get your cardio workout in without leaving your home? Look no further than the best rowing machine of 2023. Rowing machines provide a low-impact, full-body workout that is perfect for people of all fitness levels. With so many options on the market, it can be difficult to choose the right one for your needs. That's why we've done the research for you and narrowed down the top rowing machines of 2023. From resistance levels to ergonomics, we've got all the details you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine Rower. The Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine Rower with LCD monitor and extended slide rail, SFRW5515 is a great option for those looking to add a rowing machine to their home gym setup. With its magnetic resistance system, it offers a smooth and quiet rowing experience. The adjustable resistance levels allow for a challenging workout for users of all fitness levels. The extended slide rail is a standout feature of this rowing machine, accommodating users up to 6'4". The LCD monitor is easy to read and provides important data such as time, distance, and calories burned. This machine is also compact and easy to store when not in use. The ergonomic design of the handlebar and foot pedals ensures a comfortable rowing experience, even during extended workouts. The large textured foot pedals with safety straps provide a secure grip, and the cushioned seat ensures comfort during even the longest rows. Overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine Rower with LCD monitor and extended slide rail, SFRW5515 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable and effective rowing machine. It offers a smooth and quiet rowing experience, adjustable resistance levels, and a comfortable and ergonomic design. If you're looking for the best rowing machine, the SFRW5515 should be on your list. Number 4. Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine. The Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine is considered one of the best rowing machines available in the market today, and for good reason. With its PM5 Performance Monitor and adjustable resistance, this machine provides an exceptional full-body workout that is perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. The machine is built with high-quality materials and has a sleek design that ensures durability and longevity. Its ergonomic handles and adjustable footrests provide maximum comfort during use, and the adjustable seat ensures proper alignment and form throughout your workout. The PM5 Performance Monitor is one of the standout features of the Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine, providing users with a range of data to track their progress and monitor their performance. With features like distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate monitoring, you can easily track your progress and improve your overall fitness level. Overall, the Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve their fitness and overall health. With its durable construction, adjustable resistance, and PM5 Performance Monitor, this machine provides an unbeatable workout that will help you achieve your fitness goals. If you're looking for the best rowing machine, the Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine should definitely be at the top of your list. Number 3. Stamina BodyTrac Collider 1050 Hydraulic Rowing Machine. The Stamina BodyTrac Collider 1050 Hydraulic Rowing Machine is a perfect choice for fitness enthusiasts who are looking for an affordable and compact rowing machine. With its cylinder resistance and unique design, this machine is a great way to get a full-body workout from the comfort of your own home. One of the standout features of this rowing machine is its hydraulic resistance system, which provides a smooth and consistent rowing motion. The machine is also very easy to use, with a comfortable and adjustable seat and foot pedals that can be customized to fit your body type. The built-in LCD monitor displays your time, stroke count, and calories burned, allowing you to track your progress over time. Another great feature of the Stamina BodyTrac Collider 1050 is the free smart workout app that comes with the machine. This app allows you to set goals, track your progress, and access a wide range of workouts and training programs. It's a great way to stay motivated and get the most out of your rowing machine. Overall, the Stamina BodyTrac Collider 1050 Hydraulic Rowing Machine is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, affordable, and easy-to-use rowing machine. With its hydraulic resistance system, comfortable seat and foot pedals, and free workout app, it's a great way to get a full-body workout and stay in shape from the comfort of your own home. If you're looking for the best rowing machine for your home gym, This one is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Echelon Smart Rowing Machine. The Echelon Smart Rowing Machine is a high-tech and versatile fitness equipment that provides an intense, full-body workout. It features an ergonomic seat, adjustable footrests, and a large, easy-to-read display that tracks your progress in real time. The rowing machine is compatible with the Echelon Fit app, which offers a variety of workout classes, challenges, and training programs to keep you motivated and engaged. With a sleek and modern design, the Echelon Smart Rowing Machine is built to last and offers a smooth and quiet operation. The machine features a durable aluminum frame and a resistance system that utilizes magnetic resistance, which provides a challenging and smooth workout experience. The machine also features a foldable design that makes it easy to store when not in use. One of the standout features of the Echelon Smart Rowing Machine is the 30-day free Echelon membership that comes with the purchase. This membership provides access to a wide range of live and on-demand classes, as well as personalized coaching and training plans. The membership also includes access to the Echelon community, where you can connect with other users and share your progress. Overall, the Echelon Smart Rowing Machine is a top-of-the-line fitness equipment that delivers a challenging and effective workout. It offers a wide range of features and benefits that make it stand out from other rowing machines on the market. If you're looking for the best rowing machine to help you achieve your fitness goals, the Echelon Smart Rowing Machine is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Stamina ATS Air Rower. The Stamina ATS Air Rower is a great investment for anyone looking for an effective, full-body workout machine. With its dynamic air resistance system, it provides a smooth and challenging rowing experience that engages every muscle group in your body. The LCD monitor allows you to track your progress, including time, distance, speed, and calories burned, making it easy to set and achieve your fitness goals. One of the standout features of the Stamina ATS Air Rower is its folding design, which makes it incredibly space-efficient and easy to store when not in use. This makes it a great choice for anyone with limited space or who wants the convenience of being able to easily move the machine around their home. In addition to its impressive features, the Stamina ATS Air Rower is built to last. It has a sturdy steel frame and can accommodate users weighing up to 250 pounds. This makes it a great option for anyone looking for a durable and reliable rowing machine that will stand up to frequent use. Overall, the Stamina ATS Air Rower is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality rowing machine that provides a challenging and effective workout. With its dynamic air resistance system, easy-to-use LCD monitor, and space-saving design, it's a great investment for anyone serious about their fitness journey. It's no wonder that it's considered one of the best rowing machines on the market.